Have you ever had a project to do and wondered, is there any gadget out there that can make this easier? Technology has gone a long way in making lives simpler by developing tools that may ease previously tough tasks that do not, however, necessitate learning. Anyway, here are some really remarkable tools you've probably never seen before. Genetta climbing gear. Genetta is adaptable to a variety of pole sizes and shoe sizes. Genetta's calf and ankle support is patented. By using add-on tips and blades, Genetta can be made to fit almost any pole material and profile. Genetta climbing provides easy access to traffic lights and signs mounted on steel poles. Also, whilst up on the pole, a fine adjustment of the hook always maintain a relaxed standing posture. It is simple to reach both backwards and sideways. Falling backwards does not always result in a fall down. The journey will continue with Genetta. Genetta is a versatile pole climbing solution for a variety of professionals. Basting Valfast. Ball bearing products can be damaged in a matter of weeks, especially if they operate the wedges at full power or use impact wrenches. With the Valfast, you will not face this issue. The flat design allows the wedge to be completely inserted into the tree. Even if a tree has become entangled in its branches, it can still be brought down. The Valfast is a powerful spindle wedge, designed for serious forestry professionals. It is the first choice for harvesting wood, because it has been proven thousands of times and has an exceptional longevity. The option of measuring tape control further distinguishes the Valfast. STIHL GTA26. The 10.8V STIHL GTA26 cordless wood cutter is a versatile tool for garden and carpentry work. It is suitable for both amateur and professional users. The STIHL GTA26 cutter is ideal for tree and shrub care, carpentry, and daily garden maintenance. The ergonomic handle of the STIHL GTA26 cutter is covered with a non-slip material that fits perfectly in the hand, as is the upper surface of the case, which we hold with the other hand while cutting. The STIHL GTA26 battery indicator is located on the side of the device and is easily accessible. Simply press the button to have the number of bars indicating the charge status of the battery. The AS2 battery allows you to work for up to 25 minutes or 80 cuts. Morn Mini Smart Forklift. Morn Lift Smart Forklift, with a load capacity of 500 kilograms and a lifting height of 1,500 millimeters, is designed to lift standard pallets. It is powered by a long-lasting lithium battery. It is an ideal facility for loading and unloading goods in stacking warehouses, supermarkets, workshops, and production lines, as well as handling goods on and off trucks, containers, and so on. Bosch GSB 18V Profactor. Bosch is one of the market's leading professional power tool brands. While they are most renowned for their concrete and measuring tools, their cordless range is one of the most robust on the market. They are designed for professional use on job sites. The Bosch GSB 18V is built around the company's new core battery. The tool is intended to be more powerful, last longer, and run for longer periods of time. The GSB 18V is extremely strong, and it can perform a lot of work before needing to be recharged. What is startling about the device is the size of the drill in comparison to the power output. There would be no problems doing more difficult jobs, which would ordinarily necessitate the use of a bigger drill. It is ideal for fastening and drilling wood, metal, and concrete. The weight and size of this drill are the most impressive features. This combination makes it an ideal drill for everyday usage when you don't need to operate with larger, heavier drills. XSTO. XSTO is a major global provider of material handling equipment and impaired mobility solutions, aiming to make every step easier for you. The brushless motor drives the motorized stair climber, which is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery pack. It has complete wheels, an automated brake, an aluminium alloy frame, simple controls, an engine brake, a step-counting display, and an anti-tipping system. The XSTO electric stair climber, with a weight capacity of up to 170 kilograms, allows big loads to be transported up and down steps with a single operator. It's the ideal trolley for transporting large printers, appliances, furniture, and other items with ease, saving back strain and labor expenditures. Well viewers, that's it for today's video. If you would love to get any of the products, the links are in the video description. And if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos.